Do you need a secure authenticated serverless API on AWS? In this project, we build a fully serverless Notes API using API Gateway, Lambda, and DynamoDB, secured with Cognito and provisioned entirely with Terraform. Follow along, and in minutes, you'll have a working authenticated API running in AWS. Let's walk through the architecture before we build. The user opens a static web app from S3 and signs in with Cognito. Cognito returns a JWT, and that token is sent with every API request. API Gateway validates the token before the request is allowed through. Lambda handles the request and runs the application logic. DynamoDB stores the data. The owner field is scoped to the authenticated user. Go to the GitHub link in the video description, clone the repository, and run the check env script to verify all prerequisites. If you need help setting up AWS and Terraform, check out our AWS setup video. Once that's done, run the apply script to start the build. The build is completed, so let's head into the console and see what was deployed. First, the Cognito User Pool. This is where user accounts live. Email-based sign-in, no custom code needed. The app client is configured to authorize API access from a single-page application. Next is the API Gateway. JWT authorizer is attached to each route. API Gateway validates the caller's bearer token before calling the Lambda. 5 Lambda functions are defined, each with least privilege access. DynamoDB stores the notes, partitioned by user. Finally, S3 hosts the frontend, index.html, callback.html, and config.json. Navigate to the URL to launch the test app. When the app loads initially, we are not logged in yet. The note list is empty, and the controls are disabled. Click Sign In. The browser redirects to the Cognito-hosted UI. Sign in with an existing account, or create one here. Cognito redirects back to callback.html. The page exchanges the authorization code for tokens. We're now authenticated into the app. Open the browser debugger so we can watch the API calls. Create a new note. A post is made with the JWT as a bearer token. Now update the note. The put call is made with the bearer token set. Delete the note. The delete call is made with the bearer token set. In this demo, we've exercised every API endpoint, all secure with Cognito JWT bearer tokens. Once you've finished evaluating this project, run the destroy script to clean up all resources.